Who's a thief that keep? Who's a thief that keep taking?
Who's a thief that keeps taking? What's up, guys? It's day 4. Is it day 4.5? I don't know. It's my son, Damien. It's my oldest son. He's going to be 21 in June. We were going to London to see Kiss, Iron Maiden, and System of a Down. And my boys in Korn are going to play too, right? So we had to cancel our trip. It's all right, man. Like, London's been there a long time. I even think that London Bridge, I don't think it's fallen down anymore. He works at the King Soopers, which is a grocery store here in Littleton, Colorado, filling the orders that people place online and running it to their car. And being the local salon owner, I happen to know a lot of people. And being a big fat jerk like I am, I have a lot of friends. So, thanks, jerks. I got a text message from one of them that he served, and they're part of our disabled community here. And the mom was, "Your son's the greatest guy." Actually, you know what? I'm going to read it.
Go ahead.
Verbatim. Okay? So, verbatim. "Damien just helped me with curbside pickup. Wonderful young man. And he looks great in Wranglers." Come on. I didn't.
Well, it's true.
Yeah, it's true. How's your business going?
Well, it'd be going a lot better if the zoos hadn't closed where we will be selling stuff, because if the zoos hadn't closed, we'd be able to have a higher chance of getting into the gift shop company, because most likely their lines are closed because it's not an essential business.
Yeah, the zoos are closed. And I think the penguin, one of the penguins got the COVID.
It's hard.
Yeah. Yeah, they put him on ice. This is my wife, Rania. We've been married for 27 years. It'll be 28. Am I wrong?
Don't make me do the math. I don't know.
Yeah. No, it's 27.
I lost count at 25.
Right? Every day's been bliss. And I have never gotten grounded one time for anything. Women, ladies, if you didn't know you have the power to ground your husband, you do.
Yep.
And if he doesn't listen to you, he may not respect you. And if you really care about your spouse, you're going to, unless you're, off the deep end, or you just don't care because you don't like the person. But if you love the person, you like the person, you're gonna stay grounded. And she's always been my compass. When my compass is doing this, I look at her and she's like, north. And north is probably even over there because she hasn't told me yet where it's at. So,
Gotta keep you guessing.
guys, we're back in my home studio. I'm gonna cut some vinyl. The stickers that go on a window, at a salon, you can have a lot of fun with your front window if you have the right tools. This is the sticker that's going to be 9 inches by 40 inches wide. And that's going to go in the front to let people know, hey, we're doing our part. So let's cut some vinyl. For those of you that don't know what a vinyl plotter is, some of you may know it by like the name Cricut or something. Those are really good machines too. This one's a little bit more industrial, just a bigger size. It's a 24-inch vinyl plotter. And these sheets of plastic kind of look like you would use in a cupboard to line the cupboard. And there's a razor blade that will come down and score this. And this is all the different colors that I have. I can also put it onto t-shirts and do a heat press. This vinyl is made specifically for banners and windows and cars and stuff. So, or whatever you can think of that you can stick something to. All right, you ready? A lot of people have asked me about my hair. I am sympathizing with my customers. If they're going to look like a chia head, I'm going to be a chia head. Don't hair shame me just because I have the power to cut my own hair. Maybe I don't want to do it, huh? Maybe I'm going to grow it out long again. Who knows? One of the things I've noticed in the hair business is that the better a hairdresser is, probably the worse their hair looks, because a really good hairdresser has no time to do their own hair, even during a pandemic. I don't have time to do my own hair. I rely on somebody else. I can't use the Zohan. He's no good. He has no idea what he's doing. So, the better you are, the more your hair looks like this. If you're not a very busy hairdresser, your hair probably is fantastic. And if it's not, you have no excuses.
Who's a thief that keep? Who's a thief that keep taking?
Who's a thief that keeps taking my lighter? Hope you're burning when you're playing with the fire. I put her down, pass it around, and it never made it back now. Where's it at? Where's it at? Who's a thief that keeps taking? Who's a thief that keeps? Who's a thief that keeps taking? Who's the dick that took my pick? Who got my lighter? Gonna find ya. Who got my lighter? I'm right behind ya. Who got my lighter? Gonna find ya. Give her back, give her back, give her back. Where do they go? I'd like to know. Where do they go? I'd like to know. Oh, one day got 6 and the next you got Zippo. Lose my lighter, make me go psycho. Stand back while I activate the low jack. Godzilla late beaming down my signal. Not invisible, are you criminal? There's a dick that took my pick. Are you the dick that took my pick? Who got my lighter? Gonna find ya. Who got my lighter? I'm right behind ya. Who got my lighter? I'm gonna find ya. Give it back, give it back, give it back. Who got my lighter? I'm gonna find ya. Who got my lighter? I'm right behind ya. Who got my lighter? I'm gonna find ya. Who's got my fucking lighter? Who's a thief that keeps taking my lighter? Hope you're burning when you're playing with the fire. I put her down, pass it around, and never made it back now. What's it at? What's it at? Who's a thief that keeps taking? Who's a thief that keeps? Who's a thief that keeps taking? Who's the dick that keeps? Where do they go? I'd like to know. Well, one they got 6 and the next you got 0.